Dear investors, today I'm going to present details of ongoing NFO, Nippon India Taiwan Equity Fund, which is an open-ended equity scheme following Taiwan focus theme. NFO is on now for subscription and it closes on 6th of December 21. Thanks to its logistical and systematic advantages, Taiwan is among world leaders in science and technology. No wonder then that it has second highest weight in MSCI Emerging Markets Index and is ranked 8th in IMD World Digital Competitiveness Ranking 2021. Nippon India Taiwan Equity Fund is one of its kind diversification opportunity into this exciting market. Taiwan has got second largest country weight in MSCI Emerging Market Index after China. It got 15% weight in the index, followed by South Korea with 13% weight, and India got 12% weight in the index. Taiwan is a global leader in semiconductor manufacturing and is well placed to benefit from its booming demand. Semiconductors are the brain of modern electronics, enabling advances in medical devices and healthcare, communications, computing, defense, transportation, clean energy, and technologies of the future, such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and advanced wireless networks. More than 169 industries have been impacted by the recent global chip shortage, and Taiwan can be a biggest beneficiary of the same. Taiwan's semiconductor industry have multiple growth years ahead with advanced technology in place, work from home culture, and with ongoing China-US tech war from which order can get transferred to Taiwan. Global semiconductor market size was 466 billion US dollar in 2020. The demand continues to grow and should improve going ahead with increased pace of digitalization. Taiwan's exports to major markets already hit a record high in first half of 2021. China exports grew by 33% to 89 billion US dollar, Asian countries by 35% to 34 billion US dollar, and USA by 28% to 29 billion US dollar. About investment opportunities in Taiwan, Taiwan has a well-established semiconductor supply chain and ranks number 1 and 2 worldwide in every semiconductor subsector, including silicon wafer, custom IC fabrication, IC testing, and packaging. Taiwan has 52% market share in semiconductor contract manufacturing. Taiwan's semiconductor industry holds a leading market share in IC foundry, packaging, and testing services, and is second only to the US in terms of design services and broader market share. Taiwan has got economic advantage too. Taiwan's GDP has grown steadily in the past. Since Taiwan is an export-oriented economy, the good export performance and robust domestic investments will give support to the economic growth as countries reopen. Taiwan's foreign exchange reserves in September climbed to US dollar 545 billion, retaining the fifth largest position globally. Strong FX reserves back up a stable investment environment for Taiwan. It's a good investment opportunity as Taiwan's strong exports drove the corporate profits and they grew by 92.5% in second quarter of 2021. The 12-month forward PE ratio of Taiwan exchange was 13, which is lower than the historical average of 15 over the past decade. Now about the investment strategy of the fund. Investments will be made with a long-term investment horizon based on three M's: dominant market share from successful business model, sizable market from mass demand, and sustainable high margin from superior technology. The fund will follow a multi-cap investment strategy. Thus, it will invest into large caps, mid caps, and small caps. Portfolio will be a mix of growth and value stocks. The fund's focus will be on new technology trends. The fund will have less than 10% investment in a single stock, thus avoiding concentration risk. And it's a high conviction portfolio with less than 40 holdings. About investment consultant, Cathay Site, which is one of the largest asset managers in Taiwan and part of Cathay Financial Holding, is the investment consultant of the fund. Combined together, they manage total AUM of about 251 billion US dollars as on September 21. The fund manager, Kinjal Desai is the fund manager. Exit load of 1% if redeemed or switched out on or before completion of 3 months from the date of allotment of the units will be applicable, and nil after 3 months. Minimum application amount for this fund is rupees 500. Investment horizon should be more than 5 years for this investment, and investment should be done in staggered manner over a period of next 1 year. Being an international fund, it's providing a very good diversification opportunity for the portfolios, and one can have 10 to 15% exposure of their total portfolio. So this is all about Nippon India Taiwan Equity Fund. Thank you.